Hi everybody, welcome to a brand new project. This is a mini album. It's a design team project for Country Craft Creations and you can get the supplies there. This album, as you can see, is fall theme and it uses the beautiful collection My Favorite Fall from Echo Park. And I had the collection, 2 of each sheets, the sticker pack, the frames and tags pack, and the solids that also went with the collection, the coordinating solids. And I used linen and craft cardstock, artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations. These flowers were from my stash and they're prima. This butterfly was part of this pack. I also had from the Country Craft Creations these little charms, which are so cute, and some seam binding. These flowers also, they're prima, but I got them at Country Craft Creations. So let's take a look at this album. It's a big one and it'll hold a lot of pictures. It's 9.5 by 7.5 with, I think it was a 2.5 inch spine. Yeah, 2.5 inch spine. And it has this beautiful charm on the side. This was a kit from Country Craft Creations and I think it is sold out. But Tamara always has, or not always, but often has these kits. So just keep an eye out. And she has tutorials also for how to make them if you want to make one for your album. And then on the back, it's just plain. It has the seam binding and bulldog clip closure that I like to use, and it's left quite loose, you can see, because this album is designed to hold a lot of pictures, so it's probably going to get fatter, so I left some play. All right, so let's take a look. So on the inside cover, I'm just going to it's just room for a really big picture. Same here, or a couple of 4x6s, some journaling, whatever you like. And there's a large pocket here. And in that pocket, there is a photo mat and a graphic 45 regular tag. This photo mat's craft cardstock, and this is the cream tag. And it's got, this is from the sticker sheet, and some little glittery ribbon. So those go there. There isn't a side pocket insert, and I do recommend, if you're going to make this album, set aside 4 sheets right at the beginning. Just put them aside somewhere for these side pocket inserts, okay? I had 2 of each sheet, which means I had 2 of each of the cut apart sheets, and I used those, and then maybe 1 other sheet. So I just set those aside right at the beginning, and you should too, because you want to make sure you have enough paper to mat these at the end. Okay, so let's look at this page. This is a stacked pocket that flips open, and you can see a huge mat for pictures, and you'll see in a moment there's a matching one here, and then there's room here as well. And then we have some tags in the pockets, and a little 3x4 photo mat. This is a square tag, this is a regular tag, these are graphic 45 tags, which I use throughout. And then I also use this little manila office tag that I left plain just for journaling. Here's one of the large graphic 45 tags and a large photo mat. Okay, and on this side we have, this is from the sticker sheet, as is this. This is one of the cut aparts. This is from the frames and tags. And then this is just a double flap, and then there's plenty of room in here for photos. And this is held together with seam binding, or held closed, I should say, with seam binding. And here's one of the side pocket inserts. And I'm not going to pull it out, but it's large. And then here, I'm going to look at this side first. We have a belly band that has a policy envelope that attaches with a magnet, 2 magnets actually. If you made Christmas in the Country, that series from me, if you made that book, you will have a template already for this envelope. If you don't, when we get to this in the tutorial, I will link to where you can make your template. Okay, and then we just have a large photo mat and a couple of cut aparts. And then this just snaps on. Now on this side, we have the same setup, large photo mat and a couple of cut aparts. However, we also have a really large photo mat, a square, and a regular tag. So what we have here is what looks like a belly band and is a belly band, as you can see. However, when I put these in, you'll see they do not come out the other side because there's a pocket hidden behind the belly band. So that's fun. And that's going to go there. And another side pocket insert here. Then here we have a cascading sort of waterfall where each flap gets slightly bigger than the next. And a little glittery ribbon, which I put because I completely botched this mat and I was hoping to distract the eye with some glitter. Okay. And again, we're holding this with some seam binding. You could use magnets if you prefer. This is from the sticker sheet. This is from the sticker sheet. And this is just a little flap with, again, room for pictures and journaling. And a side pocket insert. And another set of stacked pockets. These are not a flap, so these are the full width of the page. And again, we have a square tag, a couple of the cut aparts, and a large photo mat. And then up here we have another large photo mat, another large tag, and another manila tag. And those go there. And then this is a flap, another sticker. Hope you can see that. So it's just a large area, 4x6 will fit here, or you could journal, and there's room for pictures here. So that is that. All right, I'm going to clip that. I hope you've enjoyed the flip through, and I hope you enjoyed making the album. It's a fun one. It's not difficult. I try not to make any of my albums difficult. It does, however, use a lot of paper. I used about 25 sheets of the linen and a dozen sheets of the craft. So it uses a lot of paper, but it is a big album. I hope you'll enjoy making it with me, or I hope you will make it with me. We'll start the tutorial very soon. In the first video, just below the video, I will link the cutting guide. I don't have it ready yet, so it won't be with this video, but it will be with the first video in the tutorial. So again, it is a design team project for Country Craft Creations, and all of the supplies are available there. And the tutorial, the first video on the tutorial will be coming very soon. So I hope you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Like if you've enjoyed the video. I really appreciate that. Feel free to make any comments you like down below, questions, concerns. I'll be happy to answer. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.